What is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be a vlog, but it is a mention video, and this is featuring Julia hair. So they did go ahead and send me the gorgeous wig you guys see on my head right now. Y'all, this wig is like everything you would just want. It's like the perfect throw and go wig, and I love that for us. So let's hop straight into the details. First things first, I want to go over shipping and packaging. Shipping was via DHL and it took a couple days, under a week though, so thank you guys so much for that. So you guys, this is the box that it came in. Inside they gave me some gifts, and then there's some packaging, so thank you guys so much for that. So you guys, the wig that they sent me is their 5x5 invisible lace closure wig, and it is 100% human hair, transparent lace, and you can do baby hair all around the perimeter. Mind you guys, I did not do any baby hair. No offense to it, I just didn't really want baby hair today. So but yeah, so I looked at the reviews and I love the wig for the most part. I haven't seen anything negative, but the length that they sent me is 24 inches, and it's very much giving, you definitely can have some leadway with that. Imagine it straightened, it would definitely give me 26, 28. I am 5'3", so I'm a short person, so it will fall a little longer if you're shorter like me. So you guys, let's talk about parting and cap construction and all of that. So the cap construction is three combs and adjustable straps. There's 1, 2. Parting space is pretty long. I'd say it's about 4 or 5, maybe 5, 6 inches. So you guys, as you look along the hairline, this is all able to be customized. Baby hair can be here, here, and even across. So it's really up to you, to your liking. I didn't do baby hair because some people don't really like baby hair, and I just honestly feel like the wig didn't need all that. You know, sometimes wigs, people can make them a dead giveaway that it's a wig. Like, I don't think all the unnecessary baby hairs are necessary unless that's something you want. So it's kind of a preference thing. So you guys, yeah, got the hair in about 3-4 days. So this wig is available in multiple inches, 16 through 28. 28 would be the most expensive, but the density is pretty full, and I love that for us. Like, I am not disappointed at all. So 24 inches would run you guys about $300, and that is great in my opinion, because I feel like you're paying for the lace. Like, so transparent lace is way better than medium brown lace or even just regular lace from a company. I've learned that this type of lace is really, really expensive, so that is probably why the price is that much. Also the length, and obviously as you go up in length, it goes up in price. But I have no bad things to say about this wig. I did wear it last week, and it's been phenomenal. It's giving what needs to be given, and I just, overall, I have no complaints. You guys are gonna see me curl it and things like that, but this is just a little quick mention, show and tell, whatever you want to call it. But thank you so much to Julia hair. So yeah, let's hop into this video. I think I went over everything. No crazy shedding or tangling, and I love that for us. So definitely check this wig out, you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you again to Julia hair for sponsoring this video. I'm so happy a company wants to do a video like this, because everybody has been declining my offers to do mention videos, so I'm really excited. So let's hop into the rest of this video and then into the vloggy vlog. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.